In this section, we learn how to set up a price with GST in PEASx. First, let's check some of the preferences. Go to Setup and open Preferences. Check this. Add price in inventory creation. This should be yes. Standard pricing in inventory. This should be yes. Apply tax in inventory groups. Yes. Default tax in inventory. GST. Override tax in inventory creation. Yes. Now save. Let us create an item. You can press Ctrl+I to create a new item. We already learned how to create an item. Enter code. Name. Select group. Category. HSN. Enter unit. And move to price. In configuration, if standard pricing is enabled, you can skip the price field. Now save. After you save the item, a new window opens. Update batch and price. Notice this field. Here some tax classes are already defined. When you install PEASx, some frequently used tax classes are given as predefined. You can create your own tax class. We will discuss about this later. Select the tax class you need. Notice that the tax percentage is displayed in this field. Enter MRP if the item has an MRP. Now price. Now you can see that you have two different options to enter the price. You can enter the price inclusive of taxes or exclusive of taxes. Enter the purchase price, that is with tax. The cost of the item is automatically calculated excluding the tax. Either way, you can enter the cost in this field, and the purchase price is calculated including the tax. Remember the role of pricing. Your items are evaluated with the cost price. That is tax excluded price. Now enter the selling price. You can enter the selling price with tax or without tax, same as the purchase price. When you enter the price with tax, your tax excluded price is calculated automatically. When you create a retail invoice, you can use the price with tax. This price can be used for non-GST registered customers. When you create a GST invoice for your customer, you can use the tax excluded price. In this case, your tax will be calculated separately with gross amount in the invoice. Press Enter to save. The window will close after save. This way we can set up GST in items. Go to price list and check the item. Thank you.